Bring Valentine's Day outdoors with decorations that greet guests with warmth, charm, and romantic sparkle. DIY outdoor Valentine decor turns porches, patios, and entryways into love-filled spaces that feel welcoming and festive. From glowing lanterns to heart-shaped displays, simple handmade projects add beauty without needing expensive materials. Let's explore DIY outdoor Valentine decoration ideas that brighten your home with creativity and romance. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the final touch for outdoor Valentine decor? Step back and check balance. Lights, signs, and accents should flow together. Add one statement piece to complete your outdoor scene with love. Finishing perfect? Like this, if your outdoors feels Valentine ready. What DIY signs work well outdoors? Paint wood boards with messages like "Love lives here" or "Be mine." Weatherproof your sign so it stays bright through winter weather. Sign displayed? Like this, if your porch spreads joyful messages. What DIY porch garland can I make? Cut oversized hearts from foam board or thick paper. String them with rope or twine and hang along railings for a bold Valentine statement. Garland hung? Like this if your porch already feels festive. What about decorating a fence or gate? Attach hearts, garlands, or mesh ribbon to fences. These large displays make your home feel festive and instantly noticeable. Fence decorated? Like this if your outdoor space looks joyful. What about a DIY heart wreath for the door? Use a heart-shaped frame and wrap with mesh, ribbon, or greenery. Add bows or wooden letters to personalize your front door welcome. Wreath ready? Like this if your doorway feels sweet and charming. How do I start decorating outdoors for Valentine's Day? Choose a theme: romantic, rustic, or playful. Keep outdoor safe materials ready: wood, metal, weatherproof ribbon, and sturdy lanterns. Theme selected? Like this if your outdoor space feels ready for love. How do I create a romantic entry path? Use LED candles, lanterns, or wind-resistant luminaries. Line them along the walkway for a dreamy entrance that glows softly at night. Path glowing? Like this if your entry feels magical and inviting. How do I add lights without using too many? Use battery string lights around railings, wreaths, or porch posts. Soft lighting keeps the vibe sweet, warm, and perfectly romantic. Lights sparkling? Like this if your decor glows beautifully. How can I use lanterns for outdoor Valentine decor? Fill lanterns with LED candles, rose petals, or mini hearts. Their warm glow creates cozy romantic lighting perfect for evening displays. Lanterns glowing? Like this if your porch lights up the night. Can I use natural elements for outdoor decor? Yes, combine branches, pine cones, or dried flowers with red ribbons. Nature-inspired decor adds rustic warmth to your Valentine display. Nature added, like this if your porch feels earthy and romantic. Can I make outdoor hanging decor? Create dangling heart mobiles using ribbon, felt, or cardstock. Hang them from hooks or trees to add movement and Valentine charm. Mobiles hung like this if your yard feels playful and sweet. Can I decorate outdoor planters for Valentine's Day? Yes. Fill pots with branches, faux flowers, or red and pink accents. Add heart picks or ribbons for a cheerful and romantic outdoor touch. Planter styled like this if your entry blooms with Valentine joy. DIY outdoor Valentine decor brings warmth and romance to your home before guests even step inside. With lights, hearts, wreaths, and handmade touches, your porch or yard becomes a charming celebration of love. Inspired by these ideas? Like and check back for more Valentine decorating inspiration.